Mexico, yeah. Splat, drop, splat,
Hey, yo, little Mexico, pass the gas.
They don't really wanna slow with me. Put that Glock down, boy, I'll be your worst misery. Catch a feeling that we slipped out in the street. Pull up in a level 10 G.
What is up, YouTube? I know some of you guys been curious about what happened to the race car because I haven't posted it in a long time. It's actually still alive. It's coming back from the dead. What my brother did is he put a new set of cams in it. All we need to do is dyno it now and she'll be back at the next event. For right now, she's just sitting waiting for her next competition. I forgot the cams that my brother put in, but I do know that he's trying to make some big horsepower now. Last time the car made what, 850, and then we turned it up a little bit at the track, so it's a little higher, but now he's trying to go for some big numbers on the dyno. So right now, like, there's a couple things missing out, obviously, because we're not driving it. The catch can's not on, and it's really dirty. The bumper's not on all the way. It's just been sitting. I know we have the car cover on it, but we didn't have the car cover beforehand, so it just got dirty. We should have washed it before we put the car cover back on it again. And the slicks ain't on it, just because it's sitting. But yeah, dude. When I started it right now on that clip, that was actually the first startup of the car. Like, literally been sitting for a long time. First start, which is pretty good for a damn race car. But yeah, man. So don't worry, guys. This car's still in action. It hasn't gone nowhere. Just wanted to share this little clip with you guys. I know this video is not going to be too long. I just wanted to share this little clip of the race car still because I haven't posted it, and I just didn't want to leave you guys in the dark about the channel and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day whenever this video is out. So peace out, you guys. You guys have a good one.
Saca la gancha, vamos a quebrarla, quita la semilla, no quiero María con Sacompla, vamos a alucinarnos, fire up.
Y'all some plain niggas, we insane, nigga. All I see is signs in the fucking crowd. I brought all my homies, who gon' stop us now?